In this tutorial, I will show you the correct and safe way to add music from YouTube into your Canva video. First, you cannot directly import music from YouTube into Canva. Also, downloading music from random YouTube to MP3 websites can violate copyright rules and cause issues if you upload your video publicly. So here is the proper method. Open Canva and create or open your video project. Choose the YouTube video format so your dimensions are correct. Next, get your music legally. Go to YouTube Studio and open the audio library. This section provides free, copyright-safe music that you can download and use in your videos. You can also use licensed royalty-free music platforms if you have access. Download the track as an MP3 file to your computer. Now go back to Canva, click Uploads on the left side, then click Upload Files and select your MP3. Once it uploads, click the audio file and Canva will place it in your timeline. You can drag the track to adjust where it starts, trim it to match your video length, and lower the volume if needed. That's it. Always use licensed or copyright-free music to keep your content safe. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.